Hey there, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to log in on MyNorthsideHR employee. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. The process of getting access to something as valuable as an employee web portal should never be something that's all too hard to figure out. With that being said, Northside Hospital employees should find little to no trouble when attempting to log into the MyNorthsideHR login portal. That is the reason we made this video, for you to help you log into MyNorthsideHR login portal. So, first of all, open the web browser in your Android or iPhone. Type MyNorthsideHR.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now you will see the login page. Type your employee ID and password in the required field, and tap on the submit button. In this way, you can use Northside Hospital employee portal easily and enjoy their services online. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.